Hi guys, today we're taking a first look at the Meizu M2 Note. The smartphone was launched earlier this week in China and we were present at the event where we got our hands on an international unit of the device. The M2 Note is a successor to last year's M1 Note, and while the two devices look quite similar, the M2 Note packs in a few enhancements under the hood. The smartphone features a 5.5-inch display just like its predecessor, with full HD resolution that equates to a pixel density of 403 ppi. Above the screen, you will find the earpiece, front 5-megapixel camera and sensors, while below you will see the new M-Back home button, which we'll come to in a bit. On the left spine, you will find the power button and the volume rocker, while on the right there is an ejectable tray that opens up to reveal the two nano SIM card slots. The first slot also accepts a micro SD card, so it's essentially a hybrid dual SIM device. On the bottom edge, you will find the micro USB port, primary microphone and loudspeaker, while at the top you will see the 3.5mm audio jack and secondary microphone. The back panel is made of a shiny polycarbonate plastic. It's non-removable and conceals the 3100 mAh fixed battery inside. On the top, you'll find the 13-megapixel primary camera with dual-tone LED flash, while at the bottom you'll find some Meizu branding. Coming to Meizu's new M-Back home button, it supports both capacitive and mechanical touch. A tap on the M-Back home button serves the return function on Android, so you can just tap once to go to the previous screen. Pressing the home button will take you to the home screen. Long pressing the home button will turn off the display. Now, as you can see, there are no on-screen controls either, so if you want to bring up the multitasking menu, just swipe up from the bottom and flick the apps away. The M2 Note is powered by an octa-core MediaTek MT6753 processor paired with 2GB of RAM. It's available in both 16GB and 32GB variants, but we have the former with us. On a fresh reboot, you'll get around 10GB of user available storage. The micro SD card slot supports expansion up to 128GB. Handling software is Android 5.1 Lollipop, overlaid with Meizu's proprietary UI called Flyme, and this is version 4.5. The M2 Note supports 4G on both SIM card slots, and it supports both FDD and TDD LTE bands in India. The smartphone will be going on sale in India in the coming weeks, but we'll have a full review out before then. Thanks for watching.